You guys had a damn good trading day today. It is now what, 5:43. Market's been closed what, almost an hour now, and so I wanted to take a quick moment to show you guys to kind of do an overview of a play that I entered to on Intel. So if you watched my video I posted last night, where I posted three low cap, low premium stocks that you can look at. You know, especially if you're working with a little bit lesser capital, because when I talk about like Tesla, SPY, most people are scared to trade SPY and QQQ, which are ETFs, and then Tesla has higher premium, and then extra high volatility as well. So people be kind of scared to mess with that. And I named some others, but people like, a little bit something, a little bit lower cap. So I covered them, and if I do cover them, more than likely I'm also watching them as well. And Intel was one of them, INTC. And so what I want to show you guys real quick is the reason why I got into a call on this one. I had 5 contracts. When you're dealing with something like Intel, okay, it might move a dollar, 150, 175, $2, depending on the day. All right, it does not make these massive moves. So I always look for the highest delta possible, as well as multiple contracts. So this one in particular, I had 5 contracts, and I sold 3 once we got to this mid level, and then I got out in the last 2 right when we were getting to this high supply zone up here that I identified at the top. So definitely want to show you guys that. And just something to add to your arsenal. It doesn't matter if you're trading options. It doesn't matter if you're trading crypto, futures, whatever you're trading. These patterns and these candlesticks are pretty much universal across the board. And so just something to add to your arsenal when you are trading. So I want to look at what they look like, how they played out, and just simply identifying them when you are looking for entries and exit for your trades. So the first pattern that I identified was the double bottom. Okay, this is where the price hits support twice and bounces up to form a W. Pattern is bullish. We go down, we push up, we go down, and then we push up again. Now this was the first pattern that I identified that made me want to get into this position. Now while I was waiting for my confirmation for things to play out, I'm going to show you guys the next pattern that gave me my goal to get in, and just pretty much one that I saw, which was a tweezer bottom, which is also a bullish pattern. Okay, this is where 2 candles with equal lows, usually a red candle followed by a green candle. All right, so I want to take you guys real quick to the charts to show you guys what that looked like. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what I saw first. What I was looking at was how we were up here. We came down. All right, you guys see we pushed back up here and we came down. So I was looking for us to get back into this zone in general to ride it back up. And I started seeing this pattern here forming. But